The SlimLED you know and love is available with a sub-ceiling selectable CCT switch and interchangeable magnetic trim plates. The new SlimLED Plus is an entry-level, budget-friendly LED fixture with a thin profile that fits perfectly in low plenum applications and is ideal for residential and light commercial spaces. The SlimLED Plus is available in two shapes and sizes, 4 or 6 inch, round or square. Technical features include up to 1,150 lumens, IC rated, a 5-position CCT selectable switch on the face of the fixture below the ceiling, dimmable, no housing required, lifetime warranty, wet location rated, ENERGY STAR approved. Trim colors available: white, black, brushed nickel, oil rubbed bronze, or silver. Our round 4 and 6 inch fixtures come standard with white and black trims included in the box. The square fixtures come with white as the default trim. If you are interested in the non-standard colors, please see our ordering guide for trim accessories. Selectable color temperature is accessible behind the magnetic trim on the face of the fixture below the ceiling. To change the color temperature, remove the magnetic trim, select color temperature, and magnetically snap the trim back into place. For more information, please visit liteline.com/SlimLED.